This is the Hanoi company for another apartment visit. So let's begin by the entrance door. Just right here. Just on the right side there is a big table with 1, 2, 3, 4 windows which are providing many light inside. The sofa, little table, television. This apartment gets also a Wi-Fi connection, air conditioning, ventilations. So I would like to show you what about the view. On West Lake and the balcony. It's pretty big. So let's move on to the kitchen with a bar, big fridge. It's a spacious kitchen with many furnitures which are providing by the Hanoi company. The first bathroom, washing machine, first room with a big bed 2 places, the second room with another bed 2 places. This room is very big, many places inside. And also one private bathroom for this one. So that's it for this apartment of Xonchua number building 37. Thank you very much. Bye bye.